In this video you will learn how to fix too many failed attempts while creating a Yahoo email account. Wait before trying again. Pause at least for 30 minutes to an hour as Yahoo attempts to block further as you repeatedly fail. Clear browser cache and cookies. Go to your browser settings, then clear the cache and cookies to remove any stored data that may be causing you any errors. Use a different browser or device. Try creating a new account on a different browser or device to avoid being flagged by the Yahoo system. Avoid using VPNs or proxies. Disable any VPNs or proxy connections that can trigger Yahoo's security filters. Use a valid mobile number. Make sure you're using a unique and valid phone number for verification that has not been used on multiple different Yahoo accounts. Try again after rebooting your device. Restart your computer or phone before trying again to ensure a fresh session. Now you know how to fix too many attempts while creating a Yahoo account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.